Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Nursing Association. So are you interested to go abroad to study or to do work? Then you have to clear the English test which is known as the IELTS exam. So today in this video I will tell you some of the information regarding IELTS exam. So let's begin. First of all, what is IELTS? Means IELTS means International English Language Testing System, which is the world's popular English exam for the students who are interested to go abroad to study and to do job. Every year, 20 to 30 lakh students are taking the IELTS exam. If we talk about the IELTS exam, the students who are interested to go abroad to study or to do job, then the IELTS IDP India Institute helps the students to go abroad to study in the countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK and USA. And the IDP is the world's leading educational organization. If we talk about the specialty of the IELTS exam, then this is an English test which is the most popular exam all over the country, which is developed under the Cambridge expert peoples. If we talk about the IELTS exam, then it is available 48 days a year and 4 days a month. And this exam is a face-to-face interaction between a candidate and a supervisor. And that's why this exam is the most fiercest exam. If you talk about the eligibility, then if the candidate is interested to do the IELTS exam, so he or she should be at least 16 years. The candidate should have a valid passport for this IELTS exam. This exam is not limited. You can give as much as you can. And the test you have scored in the IELTS exam should be valid up to 2 years. Now we will talk about how to register the IELTS exam. Basically, you can do it with two ways, either online or offline. In online, you have to visit the website www.ieltsidpindia.com. In that, you have to register your IELTS exam. And in the offline, you have to prefer your nearest IDP branch for the registration. Now we will discuss the format of the IELTS exam. Basically, it has 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. And this duration of this exam is 2 hours and 45 minutes. Basically, we will discuss one by one the 4 modules. First of all, listening. So listening has a format and it has a duration of 30 minutes. In that, the supervisor give you a 40 question and you have to answer the 40 question in half an hour. In reading, it is same as listening. You will get the 40 question and you have to answer that 40 question. But the duration of this is 1 hour, means 60 minutes you will get for the reading. And in the writing, the same as duration 60 minutes, but in this the supervisor will give you 2 tasks to complete this in a 1 hour. Now we will discuss the IELTS band score. The overall is 1 to 9 band. Okay. Basically, if the candidate is getting 9 band, then he or she is extremely good in English. If the candidate is getting 8 band, then he or she is very good in English. If the candidate is getting 7 band, then he or she is good in English. And if the candidate is getting 6.5 or 6 band, then he or she is medium in English. The result of this test is on 13th day after the IELTS exam. Basically, this exam is taken all over the country and it has 600 centers over 120 countries. In India, the cities like Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata has the centers of the IELTS exam. So this is all about the IELTS information. If you want more information regarding this exam, then visit the website www.ieltsidpindia.com. I hope you have got some of the information regarding this exam. If you like the video, give a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching and we will be back with another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.